Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Emilia Romolini and today we are in the northern part of Italy. We are in Emilia Romagna, not too far to Parma and Modena. We are about to visit together a fully restored 18th century villa which has been curated to the smallest detail. The property is very glamorous. It's an elegant, tall villa with all of the modern comforts. A beautiful private park, swimming pool, 5-car garage, elevators. It has everything. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa is in a strategic location. We are perched on a hill overlooking the nearby town with all of the main services. At the same time, we're about 20-minute drive to Reggio Emilia, about half an hour to 40 minutes to Modena, and about 1 hour and a half to Bologna. In terms of airports, the closest airport, which is a small airport, is the one of Parma. The next larger one is the Bologna airport, about 1.5 hours from here. Then we also have the Milan airports, which are respectively 1.5 and 2 hours away, of course with the city of Milan as well, about 2 hours drive from here. The private park of the villa is impressive. It is about 1.5 hectares in land and it is fully manicured as you see it. There are beautiful hedges, all sorts of plants and flowers. The property can be accessed through 2 gates. There is the main one on the front, which accesses on the main facade and is ideal if you have guests or if you have an event. Or there is the second gate on the back, which is used by the owners, and it directly gets to the garage of the house. The garage can host comfortably 4 cars. If you like, you can fit up to 6 large cars in the garage. Of course, from the garage you can go back up inside the property. The park is 1.5 hectares. However, additionally, the sellers can also include about 30.5 hectares of land on this side, which takes a large portion of the hill, and they purchased, if one liked to use the property for events, to make it ideal for additional parking space or, in any case, to have additional privacy on this side. The landscaping is a masterwork from the Italian landscape designer Silvia Ghirelli. The park is completely fenced and in the night it is beautiful as it is lit up by several light points. There are over 60 light points. The garden is perfectly manicured and irrigated by over 400 sprinklers all around. As you can see, I'm standing right in front of the swimming pool, which is masterfully done. It has this beautiful stone paved area all around. The pool is a saltwater pool. It is heated and it has an electric cover. It is 12 by 6 meters and it's positioned on a side of the villa close to this flat garden area overlooking the villa on this side. On the side of the swimming pool, we have this comfortable, huge terrace with this beautiful umbrella that is covering this long table. This is ideal for the summertime or anyways for the warmer months of the year to enjoy a beautiful lunch or a wonderful dinner with friends and family overlooking the pool. Right behind me, you can notice the second driveway entrance. As you can see, it is beautiful and perfectly manicured. It turns and you have these plants that accompany you all the way up until the garage, which is on this side. It can host comfortably up to 4 cars and, if you like, up to 6 or even 7 cars. All around the property you have surveillance. There are 49 cameras between the inside and outside cameras. Welcome to the main entrance of the villa. We are on the ground floor. The villa internally is about 1,274 square meters, which equals to nearly 14,000 square feet. It has 8 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms, and it is divided as such. There is the main body of the villa, which is entered to the left side, and I will show it to you shortly, with a beautiful apartment and upstairs additional bedrooms. While from the ground floor we can enter separately to the right an apartment on the ground floor, which is ideal either for staff, or it could also be ideal if you have guests that don't want to do stairs. Upstairs there is a second large apartment that is made up of 2 levels, and it as well can be ideal for guests, for staff, or in the case of the owners, their son uses it as a private apartment for himself. From this entrance we have a powder room on this side that serves the ground floors. On this part we have a comfortable and spacious gym. As you can see, everything has been restored traditionally, but with a modern touch and a modern level of restoration. The floors are terracotta, and as you look up, all of the works have been done by skillful artisans. Looking at the walls, but also at the ceilings, they are full of original details. From the gym to the right, we enter into a large kitchen from the ground floor, and next there is the ground floor apartment which I mentioned. We are on the basement of the villa. This is the original cellar of the property. As you can see, it's full of exposed stone on all the walls. We have these arched terracotta ceilings that match the terracotta on the floors. Right now it's not used as a cellar, however it could be ideal as a beautiful wine cellar, or as well it could be restored into a gym or a spa for the villa. It is quite large. There is another room to my right and a beautiful large circular room to my left. From the main entrance to the left we find the main staircase, which is fully restored, and they use some original details like the terracotta on the steps, and you can appreciate all of these decorations on the walls. There are staircases, but also elevator right behind me, which connects all the levels. By the way, on this floor, on this side, if we keep going, we find as well a ground floor bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom, and opposite to it, what can be either a living space or as well a second bedroom, ideal if you have guests that don't want to do stairs. We're now on the first level. As you can see, the staircase keeps going. On this side, we enter into some of the main spaces of the villa. This is the main living area. They have reused an antique, beautiful, handmade stone fireplace. This works with its wood burning, and it's ideal for the winter time. You can see how there is a beautiful large space as you enter, with light coming from both sides and overlooking both sides of the garden, with a very nice French balcony on each side. From here we have an office area with access to the right side, and then we go to the primary bedroom, which I will show you later. As we keep going, we find ourselves into the dining area. It is seamlessly connected with the kitchen. It is an impressive space. Everything has been done to the highest of levels, starting from the floor with this beautiful herringbone style pattern. It is a dark wood floor. The room is full of natural light with these 2 windows on this side, and keeping this door open we get light also from the other room. As you can see, there is some bespoke wardrobes on this side that match the bespoke Gullo kitchen. This is a beautiful designer kitchen, one of the most famous kitchen brands in the world. It's made in Florence. And then we have Gaggenau appliances throughout. This central part over here can be used like an island. So you have a working top on this side, storage on the floors, and then it wraps around and you enter into this incredible kitchen that has been chosen in this color to match the rest of the house. Starting from here, we have a large fridge to begin with. Then we have a freezer right below here and a Gaggenau oven on this side. Above there is some storage. Then as we keep going, we find a dishwasher first, additional storage as well here. Then we have a double sink with steel tops. These are very beautiful, but as well very easy to clean and maintain, very durable. On this side, additional storage. This is all handmade. And over here we have the stove, which is operated with gas, and double oven right below. The extractor is typical of Gullo kitchens in this beautiful shape, and more storage on this side. Right next to the kitchen, we have this other large room, which is a multi-purpose room. It can be a preparation area for the kitchen, but as well an impressive pantry with all of this storage all around. By the way, there is a second lift on this side, which connects only the ground and this floor. On this side, through this door, we enter to one of the two apartments on the side, which means that if you use that apartment for staff or for a chef, they could enter the kitchen from this side without having to pass through the rest of the house. Over here, the cherry on the cake is this sheltered terrace. We have the terracotta on the floor to match the floors we've seen earlier. And then there are these original stone columns that make this space very elegant, and tall ceilings right above. It is an outdoor space that can be used as well very comfortably if it's raining or even in the colder months. On the other side of this floor, we have the impressive primary bedroom. You enter and you find yourself into an incredibly spacious walk-in closet, which has been bespoke made for this space. On the floors, we find the same style of parquet floor. And as you can see, the bedroom is in a corner of the villa, so it has windows on two sides, so it's full of natural light. On the back of this wall, there is additional wardrobes and as well the ensuite bathrooms with double sinks, beautiful shower, and as well a tub. Right next to the dining area and kitchen, on the other side, we find this spacious sitting space. This is ideal for some relaxing time. You have two couches. This one is an L-shaped couch which overlooks this huge TV. On this side you have a second working stone fireplace, which is perfect for the winter time. As you look up, lots of decorations and details, and in the end, from this floor we find as well a bathroom that serves all of this level. We are now on the first floor, which is connected both by the staircase that we've seen and by the elevator. As we arrive to the left, we find two of the bedrooms. As you can see, they are one next to the other, connected by this hallway, and for privacy, these doors can be closed. There are double doors here and on this side as well. The bedrooms are very similar. Each one overlooks one side of the villa, and both of them have their own ensuite bathroom with shower. Next to it, if we keep going in the hallway, there are another two rooms, which are the two office spaces of these two bedrooms. Opposite to those two bedrooms, still on the same floor, we find the third bedroom of this level. Also here we find the same beautiful wood-board floors, a window overlooking the park, and on this side the private ensuite bathroom with shower. Right next to this bedroom, in the end of the villa on this side, there is a spacious laundry area. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this incredible villa. I think it would be ideal either for someone that would like to live here full-time. It is fully equipped with all of the modern comforts that one could dream for an everyday living. It has apartments for guests or for staff, a beautiful private park of 1.5 hectares, a swimming pool, and everything is restored to the highest of standards. As well as an investment, the property is close to major cities and towns in Italy, and it could be great either for short-term rentals or as well for events. One could organize weddings here or events. Additionally, the land that can be purchased with the villa of 30.5 hectares can be great also for parking if one does events. And the property really offers lots of opportunities. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!